Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today I'm sharing some tips on how you can reduce pain safely, naturally, and in an effective way. My number one tip is to get adjusted regularly, but I'm not going to dive really deep here because I did a separate video specifically on how the chiropractic adjustments helps reduce pain. So I'm going to give you some other tips. So number one for today is going to be stabilization exercises. So stabilization exercises are exercises that are utilized to help an area of the body feel more safe or stable. For example, if you tweak your lower back and it really tenses up, that's because your body perceives that something is unsafe in that area or in your body, so it tenses everything up so that you don't move too much and further injure yourself. So one of the things that I give people along with adjustments is an exercise to help the body feel more safe, which will reduce pain, reduce inflammation, and increase that sense of stability and safety for your body so that muscles can relax as well. So an example of that for the low back would be pelvic tilts, which work on core stabilization. I won't go too deep into that as well because I have another video talking about the pelvic tilts and some of the other stabilization exercises. But if you have questions about that, please reach out. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is going to be utilizing breathing that helps your body to relax. So if your body is in a stressed or what we call fight or flight state, it's going to be more prone to feeling pain, or that painful sensation is going to be more prominent. So if we can get into more of a rest and digest state, that is going to bring our body down and that pain level can actually level out a little bit. So using 4-7-8 count breathing. If you're not familiar with that, I have a video for that as well. So last but not least, there are some things that you can use that are safer and more natural for pain relief, both topically and internally. And I actually have some of those products for sale here in the office, and there's other things that you can purchase outside of that. So things that we're talking about, topical relief. I use Cryoderm here in the office. A really good quality CBD can be really helpful for topical pain relief as well. Things that you can use to take internally, Salazane, which is a natural supplement that I offer here in the office, but it's derived from white willow bark and can actually help with reducing pain and inflammation in a more natural way. CBD can be another thing that can be really helpful for that. And I have recommendations on CBD you can use, things that I sell here in the office and things that you could pick up on your own. So hopefully you found these tips helpful. Thanks for listening. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.